Hello everyone. Hello Sheikh.
Yeah, hello, bro. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are
Good.
you, bro?
I am good. Thank you. It's a very less actually.
Yeah, it's very less.
Hmm.
We expected like more than 50 or 100.
It seems all are busy to work on their assignment.
Yeah.
Uh,
Could you please,
maybe.
guys, ping your friends, co-colleagues, and bring them to here to join this meeting?
Mhm. Because actually today I am saying maybe many of uh, your friends get a surprise in coming week.
Yeah.
Hmm. It is sure. More than I think more than 50 students will be removed in coming week.
Yeah, exactly.
Hmm. Because they're not active. They're not responding. They're not connecting to each other. They're not participating in poll. They're not working on any assignment. Right? There are many things behind that. So that's why I'm saying. But before that, definitely we will give a chance. We will give you a opportunity. Right? Work on your pending works. After that, we will take a decision on that. Meantime, okay, let's see if you have any question, then please type your raise your hand. We can answer your question. Any type of question, anything related to this cohort, your assignments. You are most welcome to raise your hand and ask your question. Yes, Siddha, please.
Sir, I have a question. Like two students, I submitted the assignment. Like two of the students, they approached me, and am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, audible.
So that what happened is that we three have a question that the third assignment of 5 day sprint that you have given, right? So in that 5 day sprint, are we supposed to create new story, new project, everything new, and then write day one, day two, day three, or the existing previous assignment we made that sprint and all? So we are like what I did, I used the same stories and I edited it manually. So I'm just confused. Is it right or wrong?
Oh, I
No,
think
no,
it's right.
it is
Well,
totally right because the
yes.
story like if we used and created that for the assignment two is slightly different in assignment three. So you can use the same space or project and you can modify as per the needs of or as mentioned the stories in assignment three. That's not an issue. Yeah, you can do that.
Okay. That's what I was confused because Vincent
Yeah,
said that he has done new stories. Santosh also said the same thing. So I was just confused.
yeah,
Okay, it's
Thank you.
okay.
I have created a new namespace and new project. That should be fine, right?
yeah. Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. That is okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a Oluchukui Eden. Yes, Oluchukui Eden,
Good
please.
afternoon.
Yeah, turn on your camera if possible.
Good afternoon from here in Nigeria. All right.
Good
So my
afternoon.
question. So I've been having difficulties doing the tax. So when I'm done with the day one tax, that is changing the footer. When I was about to edit the second day tax, I think I've like when I'm done with the editing the index HTML HTML file, going to implement it and then for it to reflect in my browser is always difficult for me. They always keep saying public access. So I don't know do I need to leave the Ubuntu terminal and go to the local terminal and edit it, then log in? Is there a command to join both together so that to be able to reflect on my browser when I'm done editing? I got stuck in that area. That's what I'm asking.
Actually, there is a specific way to do all these things. For example, we have two ways. One,
Okay.
you can locally edit your page, and you can directly do SCP to your EC2 instance. This is the first way. Second way is you can push your code in Git repository, right? And after that, you can Git clone on your EC2 instance. So there are two ways you can do it. And if you need any help in this regard, so please discuss internally with your group members. And there is also Google Meet links are there. You can use that. You can discuss with your friends in your group. Okay. So they can definitely help you. If
Okay.
not, then you can also watch videos. If not, then you can connect to your commenter. If not, then you can come to me directly. There are multiple options. Okay, you can take help from anyone.
All right. Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, is there any other question? Please raise your hand first. And
Regarding the last question, I think it is the better option because we have a task for updating the README file also. So that is it is the better option for doing and completing the task instead of going with SCP. So we can go that parallelly that work will go.
Yeah, both
actually,
were
there are
correct. Yeah, both were correct. Like whichever it
Both
yeah, there are multiple
Yeah.
options are there. So we should
both were correct.
I mean, we should know all the answers. I mean, we should explore all the things, right?
Yeah. Because on previous week you have guys deal with the Git, right? So here you can get another chance like to do with SCP. So that's also fine to
Exactly.
explore one project to do with a different method.
Actually, if I am a beginner, then I will try to do one task in different ways. Okay. It's a learning phase for me. So we will learn like this. Yes, please raise your hand and ask your question. We are here to help you. Yeah, Isha, please go ahead.
Okay, so my question is with the assignment 3, running the 5-day sprint. During the demo, I was a bit confused. So I want to ask if it's possible I use the same first project, but I create another story and add it to the first 6 stories. Then I create sub tasks underneath that. Then I use that to finish the assignment, or I would have to create a new project. It's
No,
I was
the story that you have created, the project you have created for assignment 2 completion, you can use the same project or space, and you can modify as per the instruction or the story mentioned in the assignment 3. Okay, that's no worry about that. You can use that.
Okay. Yes, goodness. Please go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. So my question is still on assignment 3. So after pushing to GitHub, do we have to like create a pull request? Because we worked on many branches. So I just want to know if we have to create a PR or we can leave it in our repo.
Ideally, you should do. I mean, you should raise your PR, right? But it's your own repo that you don't need to do this kind of activity. You can just push that.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, is there any other question? Yeah, Uma, please go ahead. You are on
Yeah.
mute. Yeah.
So you're right. So in yesterday's assignment, the mentor who has ever taken the demo, he has created tasks instead of stories. So in the assignment, it is given there to create stories. So I have done the assignment, created stories. That should be fine, right?
Yes,
that
you have
is
created a
fine.
story, right?
Yes, I have created stories. In the assignment also, it is they are asked to create stories only. But in the demo, he has created tasks instead of stories. That should be fine, right? That should
Yeah,
not be a big deal.
that should be fine. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
That should be fine, right? Yes. Yes, guys, you can ask any question. Please raise your hand and ask your question. Any question, any confusion, anything if you want, you can ask.
Yeah, Greg.
Yes, yeah, great. Go ahead.
Yeah, good evening, sir. It's
Good
not
evening.
actually a question, but it's an observation. I noticed for the past 2 days, most of the sessions we have in the evenings, when you post them on YouTube, we can't download them. We just have to stream them. I don't know, maybe it's the settings I was used to post. Each time I want to download them, because basically it's much more easier when you download them and you can stop and pause and follow. But when you have to stream data, it's quite expensive. I'm sorry to say.
No, I
That's just
understand.
observation.
No, I understand the situation, because if you download it, that you can stream anytime. Okay, you can watch
Yeah.
anytime. It will not consume your data. I understand that.
Thank
I
you
don't
very
know
much.
what are the issues there. Like it's not a downloadable.
Yeah, other ones used to be downloadable. That's why I just noticed for the past 2 days now it has been like that. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, guys, you all have joined. It means something you want to ask, right? So please ask. There's no problem at all. You can ask any question, anything. Okay, so meantime, what I can do?
Yeah, goodness.
Okay, I just want to ask again for the last assignment where we had to do either or solo. So I'm not really asking for that assignment specifically, but then moving forward for team projects, do we have to specifically be in a team, like form teams with people in our group, like me now? I'm in group 4. So can I be in a team with someone from group 5 or group 3, or it has to be group 4?
Yeah, you can create a team with your co-colleagues, like whichever whoever is comfortable with you and you are being in contact with, you can do that.
All
Okay.
right, thank you.
Yeah. Or if you don't find anyone like to be there for you, so you can do solo as well. It's an issue there. From which group you are? Goodness.
I'm in group 4.
Group 4. Okay.
Okay, in meantime, let me share my screen here. Just not, yeah, entire screen and share. If you can see my screen, then please confirm.
Yeah,
I
it
can
is
see.
visible. It's
Okay.
visible.
Okay. And here is the chat option. I can share a link with you. It's discord.praveensmishra.com, right? You can use this link. If you open this link, then you will get this kind of window, right? Just open it and check this kind of window you are getting or not.
Yes.
Okay. After that, we will accept this invite. Okay. Then we can see this window. Like that. Okay. And here we can see you can see here getting start, help desk, Cohort-2 social post, right? And introduce yourself. You can introduce yourself here if you want. Okay. After that, you can see Cohort-2 social post, right? Here we can post our LinkedIn post URL. We can post here. Okay. And your blog also you can post here. So I believe everyone can see this. The Cohort 1, Cohort 2, and other whoever will be join later, they will be able to see this, and they can like, they can see and comment that on your blog and on your LinkedIn post. Okay, so please use this and utilize this portal as much as possible. It's only for use Cohort 2 social post. Okay. 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 Thank you. Yes. Is there any question? Then you can ask. We are still here to help you.
So you can, meanwhile, you can ask questions, guys. We are connected for that. How many of you feel comfortable using Jira now?
Very comfortable, sir. I mean, I was first afraid of Jira, and right, I was trying. I went to the Atlassian University and went started their course, but I couldn't understand anything what they were explaining. But this thing, I was, I mean, I got a hands-on experience.
Okay, good to know that. Yeah, Greg.
Yeah, sorry, I just remembered. While opening my Jira, it pushed me to premium trial after 30 days. How do I take it off that trial premium? I don't want to pay for it. I want to be on the free version continuously.
You
For
can
now.
go with the free version as well. And if your trial is over, you can create another one for your practice.
With a new name or that same name?
Yeah, you can use any of the names with a different email.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, guys, please ask your question. We are here to help you.
You can also share your experience with your previous week, even for GitHub and links, and with Jira as well. You can share your experience. How was the things before taking live class and doing assignment, and how you feel after doing assignment? Is there any changes you have felt in yourself? Yeah, Vishal.
Sir, I'm audible.
Yeah, yes, you are audible.
So this week assignments were very good, but first I was very confused reading assignment. I was confused about how to do it, what to do, exactly what to do. Then after every session, live session, assignment session, very helpful me. Thanks for that.
Yeah, okay, great. Good to know that.
Yeah, thank you.
You know, by this feedback, even though we can understand that we are going in a good way, okay, we can direct our journey as well. Also, you can share your experience with your co-mentors, like how's the things like if the issue comes up, you feel comfortable to share with them or not.
Yeah, I find my commenters very helpful and they very, you see, whenever I ping them or I need of help, they are ready to help me, and I'm really very thankful to them. Yeah, for their cooperation.
Yeah, thank you for your feedback.
Can you quickly click on that? I mean, you will see a poll. Tomorrow is a Friday last day.
So I'm halfway done with my assignment 4. So I have set up all the Jira right now. So I just need to deploy one of the applications and just close the things. That's it.
Only
Okay, great.
only 2% completed all the assignment.
Yeah, this week we feel like a low response from previous weeks.
Sir, my laptop got that broken. I don't even know what happened to it. Maybe the charging ports since Sunday. So I've been on it trying to fix it. I've been looking around for where to get laptop and just finally got one today. So I started this morning and I'm currently on assignment 3. So
Great.
hopefully by tomorrow I'll finish
Okay,
it.
great. It's great. More than 50% already completed all 3 assignments. Only 4 is remaining. Okay, thank you so much. Actually, we are here to listen you. We are not here to say something about ourselves. So I am really excited to listen your thoughts, what your
Yeah, exactly.
experience. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. We are here
Is
to.
there any problem, any kind of problem, anything you stuck somewhere, you are getting some, yes, Sif, yes, please.
Sir, I'm already done with the assignment, but stuck with the clone part where we had to clone the GitHub. So I'm trying my best to solve from my end. Otherwise, I will try to solve from
So
my group.
git clone is very easy command. I mean, git space clone space your URL and that enter. It's very easy.
After thing also, I'm not getting that pull in the GitHub dashboard. There is a message with the green color banner, right? I'm not getting that. So I think something wrong with my code. So I'm trying my best to solve it.
You can ask your question in your group. I think there are many people who have already done. Definitely, they can immediately help you.
I'm
I
sure,
think
I
you
am
sir.
are
100% sure.
I think you are talking about pull request.
Yes.
Yeah, it should be in first check your branch, go to branch, main branch to feature branch, then go to contribution. There you'll find green branch.
Okay, you mean the dashboard, right?
Yeah, dashboard. Right.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Vishal. I'll try.
Welcome.
You can find easy solutions like in your group as well. Just ask.
Just ask. There are
Yeah,
many people help you.
don't
Definitely, they
don't
will help
wait
you.
for don't
If
wait
if
for us
not, if
to.
not, then commenters are there. They will help you. If you cannot
Thank
help
you.
from commenter, then you can connect me directly. I will help you. But before that, first discuss internally in your group, right?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
If not in your group, you can also ask. Like if you're connected with the other co-colleagues from different group, you can ask for help, for guidance. Okay.
from next week, hopefully we will have team leader for your group, so you can also discuss with them. Yes, guys, please let us know your experience, how it is going on, what you want us to increase or something we can do better for you.
And this week there was less assignments, but too much to read. That's the only thing. Apart from that, it's like a story was there. That's the problem.
Whenever you do assignment, so you just feel like we are working on live project, okay? So you just feel like that.
Yeah. While doing the third assignment itself, we'll feel like that we are something doing on our websites. We are making some changes like that.
Assignment 3 and assignment 4 were really amazing.
Yeah, right.
You can work teamwork. There are many small tasks we can work on that. Aja, do you want to say something? You're on mute.
Good evening from this side.
Good evening.
Hi, everyone. Can you hear me? Am I audible enough?
Yes. Audible. You are audible. Please ask your question.
Okay, mine is not a question. You've been asking how the week 4 assignment is going and what needs to change or what needs to be added. From my side, it's mainly commendation. I commend the commenters, lead commenter, and the entire team for their work, for their efforts, and also for the assignment structure, the hands-on. The good thing about it is the more you practice, the more it sticks in. It might look so much, but then the more you do it, the more it gets easier. And so from my side, I am super grateful. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Really very happy to listen your thought. Thank you. Yes, guys, please share your experience. We want to listen you.
Good evening, everyone. Can I go ahead?
Yes, please.
So far, the classes has been good. The teaching, the demos has really been helping us. And the assignments, sometimes it can be a lot, but with the demos, it gets easier every day. So I want to use this medium to thank everyone involved so far, both from our lead co-mentor to our mentors and everybody, including we, the students. Everybody has been helpful. Sometimes when I go to the group and I have problems, everybody is more than willing to come and assist you. So thank you.
Thank you all. If you talk about number of assignments, it's really very few. I mean, we are just getting 4, 5, 6 assignment, but in last cohort we had 9 assignment, 10 assignment, 11 assignment. That kind of assignment we will have to complete within 5 days. And there are few people. Ranveer is there, Anuradha is there. So these are our students of cohort 1. So they understand better. So it's a tight, you can say, limited time we have to do all these things. It's an initial stage, so we have only few assignment, like 4, 5, 6 assignment. But when we go in for the upcoming weeks in AWS, Azure, maybe it will be 8 to 10 assignment at that time. So if it is challenging right now, then what will happen in upcoming weeks? For that, we regularly ask you to work on assignment, work on assignment, work on assignment. And after a few weeks, what will happen? If we see 270 students, then after a few weeks, it will maybe 200 or 180, 150. Okay. So what I can say, uh, if you want to be a DevOps engineer, then you will have to work hard, right? You will have to dedicate your time. You will have to show your passion. In last quarter, we had, I think, more than 100 people. After that, only 32 graduated, right? They got certificate. So this time, I don't know what will happen, but yes, it totally depends upon you guys. Assignment is very important, actually. Whenever you go in any company, they will not ask you like, there is one task, can I give you? They will not ask you, right? They will give you multiple tasks, 10, 20, 40 tasks within a limited time period you have to do. Then what will you do at that time? So please do your practice and try to learn and make a notes whenever you go and watch Udemy video or Praveen sir video. So you should make a small notes there, right? What important is there? Not like that we are upcoming weeks we are learning something and we are forgetting previous one. So this kind of we cannot do like that, right? Uh, yes, Anuradha, do you want to share something with your student and Abhishek and other commenter? If you want to share something, please go ahead.
Yeah, as you have said, like don't forget about the previous week's assignment or the practices you have done. The same things happen, and I have asked one questions about the Linux, and they already forget that. So make sure that you do practice the previous week assignments, not only the assignment, just go through quickly, go through in a 2x on a videos, okay? So you will remember for a longer period because you have worked on Jira, you have seen Jira this week, you feel comfortable. But after a week passed on, when you are on week 6, you will already like if you see Jira board, you will feel like I forget somehow some things. So be consistent with your work and keep all the things along with. Yep.
Yeah, from my side, I can say that it's a great opportunity. If you try something on your own, DevOps is too vast. And whatever YouTube you watch, any videos or any other course you join, it'll be difficult to do on your own. Here, there is guidance from Praveen Mishra sir. Every Saturday you sit and then, systematically you sit and watch the videos and try to understand, or he explains and then you understand, and then you're getting guidance from the co-mentors and all that. So if you're stuck, and the assignments are also like industry standard, this is what you will get when you actually start working in a company. So that is how it is, and it's slowly building up, slowly you learn Linux, then you're learning now again, you learn GitHub, now Jira on its own, it's a little you can, it's not an easy tool to learn. Even though it's just front end and all that, you feel, I can learn it, but there are so many components to it. So this was like, I think this week was really a good exercise to know where everything fit in. So that, tomorrow, even if you go for an interview or a new company, most places they use Jira as a tool for managing the user stories for agile development. And then going forward, again, you have cloud, which is very much essential, AWS, Azure, and then other things which will come on the way, like your infrastructure as code, and then Ansible and all that. So if you learn the previous one, if you're very sure on that, then going forward it will be a little easy. Okay, I'm not denying that it can be like, so too many things at one time, but then keep going, just forge ahead. That's all I can say. And
It's a
surely
very, yeah, it's a very systematic program. So we will learn step by step. So I don't think there will be any problem at all.
Yeah.
So, while using Jira, so I have seen some columns where we commit on the Jira only, and you see, push or something like that on Zira only. So, I mean, but actually we are doing it on our in the VS Code editor or Git Bash, right? So, can we, I mean, do the same thing, the commit and all that in the Zira portal itself? And how does it work? So, we'll be doing that in our future assignments, or shall we try ourselves that part?
Ranveer can answer this. Ranveer.
Actually, Jira is not going to connect with automation, in case your question is related to that. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, you have to document or, acceptance criteria you had watched in yesterday's video. Okay.
Right.
You have to follow those kind of criterias. Just follow, like the manager is giving you some instructions and you are following those instructions. That's it.
Okay.
And
So we don't do commit, git commit sort of a thing in
no,
Zira,
no,
right?
no, no, no,
All
no.
right. Because
Let
in
me.
the in the columns in the below where we comment, we write the comments or for our the history, whatever, we keep track of the history of the Zira closing tickets as well, right? So there I
It
have found
is
in one of the,
It is just like ticketing tool. If you
hmm,
have worked on Remedy or other ticketing tools in your organization, it's just like that only.
okay.
Let me explain a little bit more. Whenever we get any project in our company, then what we will do? There will be a product owner, there will be a
Hmm,
scrum master, right? So
right.
they will discuss like what are the main motto, what are the main purpose, what are the main thing we have to do. Okay. So we will create one epic and we will create major things in story format, right? And we will
Right.
assign few points depends upon their criticality, how it's critical or simple. Depends upon that they will assign few marks for that, right? After they will create in story there is multiple subtasks, they will create that like that, okay? And they will decide like who work on which, they will assign all these things, scrum master will do all these things, okay?
Hmm,
So it's a kind of, you can say, a platform, a board where many tasks can be assigned, can be created and assigned to particular team or particular person. Okay, so this
hmm.
kind of information we can see, like product owner can also see, Scrum Master can also see the graph and all these things like who worked what. Okay, so this is
Right.
just a kind of information from where we can see what is the current scenario, what is the uh, current scene about that your project. There is a sprint also, right? So they will
Hmm,
divide in few sprint, like in 7 days or sorry, in 21 days of a sprint, something kind of that. So they will divide like there are four separate sprint. In this sprint, there are few things we have to do. In next sprint, we have to do something. So this is you can see a
Coordination
platform.
tool.
Yeah, a platform is there in which we can see all small tasks, all each and every things we can see at one place.
yeah. Yeah, I understand.
It's a just showcase, right? We cannot work on these things. Okay, we
Right.
will go our tool, for example, VS Code. Okay, we will go on in AWS, Azure, whatever they want, GitHub. We will go and work at there. After that, we will come here and we will put like that. Yes, I have completed this. So this is the
Yeah.
kind of information we can put here. Okay.
Right. So, and in Zeta also, we have the feature of observing the work progress or the sprint progress, how it is
Yes,
going with the
yes,
help of
yes.
the
It
sprint.
is totally there, right?
So, I
It's a
mean,
kind
yeah,
of report. Yeah.
my question is that is the graph which we can see the graph. I mean, related to the whole project, right, or the whole sprint. So, but not. I mean, can we also see the measure of the each individual task? I mean, that are related to a person.
Each and everything you can see that. Each
Okay.
and everything you can monitor, you can track that, but
Hmm.
it's not your job. It's Scrum
Right.
Master
Okay.
job. He will decide, he will check, and he will review all these things, right? You
You
as
might
a DevOps engineer, you have as a teammate, you have to work on that. And yes, we will work on that. We will go in progress or done all these things. We can do all these things, right? But Scrum Master will decide what is the sprint, what is the story, what is the task, who can work on that. They will decide. They will see what is the progress, right?
Uma, you meant the metrics, what kind of metrics you'll get out of it? How much test cases, or how much has been completed, how much is pending?
Yeah, that we will be seeing in the burn down chart, right? Or burn up
Yes,
chart, whatever.
yes,
We can
yes,
see this, right? Yes.
yeah.
That is related to the whole sprint, right? Yes.
Yes. And if anything is any task you're not able to complete, then you can say that it is kind of a showstopper or something. So the team members will help you in that. You're not able to make progress. So that's why you have a stand-up call every day.
Stand-up call, exactly. You are
Yes,
right. Stand-up
yes.
call is there.
Yeah.
It's a 15-minute call every day they will conduct, and your team lead, scrum master, maybe product owner will be there, and we'll check and all they can give you. If there is a blocker, then they will sort it out.
Right.
Okay.
And and one more question I have is whether when the development work is going on, so they create different branches, right? And they do whatever task that needs to be done. And is it the job of the developer to merge it with the main branch, or will the DevOps person will do that? So whose work is that?
So once you finish your work, you will push it into the branch, right? And then PR request will be raised, and then there'll be at least most companies have at least 2 or 3 people who will review your work. So nobody's going to
Yes.
directly merge it into the main branch just like that. So people are
Yeah.
there, maybe your team members could be peers, or it could be team lead. Whoever is there will be checking your work, whether your work is correct or not. That's why you need all those screenshots and all, na? That was mentioned, so that whether you've done everything correctly or not. So because they will not sit and deploy and then see if the screen is coming. So if you share the screenshot, then it is easier. So once they see, and then all the acceptance criteria is met or not. Once it is all met, then they will do the merging. Some places it is automated also. Some places it can be manual. It depends on how it is.
Yeah, that merging part.
Generally, yeah.
That merging part with the main branch is done by the developers team or by but the DevOps team. That merging part of the main branch, which runs for the production, right? The main branch runs for the production, right? So that merging of that will
That's what I said.
handled by whom?
Yeah, so if it is a manual process, the people, like 3 people minimum, have to approve that that particular fix is correct. Once it is there, then it will get merged automatically. I guess that's how it will work.
Okay.
Generally, your team lead will work on that.
All right.
Yeah, Vincent Onto, please go ahead. Vincent Onoto, you have raised your hand. Please go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much, Praveen. Please, I have a concern for question 3. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, you're audible.
It's not clear. You're audible, but your voice is not so clear. Yes.
Okay. Okay. I have a concern for assignment 3. So I've been stranded like since yesterday, and I don't know where to move to. And where I stranded was where I created. I've already created my sprint. I created my stories. So, and from the assignment demo that I've worked. So I now noticed that Engineer Mubarak was able to use the previous work to build on it. So me, I started my own from scratch. So I now got stranded. I don't know how to move it one after the other.
I would suggest you to please go with team, select 1 student, 2 student, and go in Google Meet, share your screen, and one-to-one connect. You can ask and you can get help from there. It's a best idea, actually. There are many students in your group. They have already completed all these things. So please ask for help, and they will definitely help you. Yes.
Okay, I actually thought maybe today's meeting was scheduled for something like this. I didn't know it's a different thing.
Actually, expectation is not we will you will share a screen and we will sort each and everything, right? We are here to help you in this regard. Like what what you have to do. I mean, whenever you stuck somewhere, then what we will do? We're guiding kind of thing, right? If you stuck somewhere, then what is your first step? What you will do? I mean, you cannot come in a group meeting. We cannot wait for a weekly group meeting, right? First step is just go in your community and ask for your help. If there are many people, they are ready to help you. If not, then tag your commenter, please help me. If your commenter will not help, then please directly connect to me. At that time, I will go in meeting, Google Meet, and you can share the screen. I will help you at that time. But before that, first ask your question in your group only. There is a Google Meet link is there in your group description. You just check it. There is a Google Meet, right? Just use that meeting and take help from anyone, right? If you still stuck, then you can tag your commenter. Commenter will help you definitely there.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I am always ready for you, right? If you did not get and you will not get any help, then I will be available. Okay,
So
anytime.
sorry
All right.
to
Thank you.
interrupt.
Thank you.
Actually, I also tried in the afternoon. We had a Google Meet, Vincent and I. I tried, but I was unable to help him. Like his question was same question what I had, like creating the new stories. So that's why I told him to ask it in this meeting.
You can ask your commenters at that time. Who is commenter in their group? Sheikh, Anuradha, who is there in your group?
Not me. Vincent, which group you are from?
Siddha?
Sir, I'm in group 6 and Vincent is in not in our group, I guess. He's
Okay.
in some other group.
Yeah,
Vincent,
I'm in group 5. I'm in group 5.
in group 5 you are there. It means Nkechi, are you there in the call?
Yes, he's here.
Where is he?
She was there just now.
I don't see. Just a minute.
Yeah, she's there.
Yes, he's there.
Hello, Nkechi, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir.
Nkechi, please help. Please
Hello,
help
sir.
please help your student Vincent. Okay, he has stuck somewhere in assignment. Please
Okay.
help. Yeah, please
All
help
right.
him one-to-one. Okay.
All right, sir.
Okay,
So
thank
Vincent,
you.
you can reach me. I'm just getting off of work.
After
So
this
just give me
call,
like 2 hours.
after this call, you can connect. Okay.
All right, sir. No problem, sir.
Vincent, if you are there, then you can connect
All right. Thank you.
Nkechi. Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thank you. I'll reach
Okay.
out to her. Thank you.
And Siddha, what about you? You have still any problem?
No, sir. My confusion was clear in the first question itself. So I'll try if I can edit it again and just.
Yeah, in your group, Manish is there, I think, group 5, right?
Yes, NKG
Yeah,
and
it's
Manish sir and Salami, Oli Zede Salamis.
Manish sir is very active person. Okay, he's always available for your help. You can ping, you can tag him anytime. He will definitely help you.
Sorry to cut you in, sir. Gregody from Group 5.
Yes,
Odoto, I'm having a session with some people by 8 o'clock today. We're going to solve that assignment 3. Then we're going to finish the rest for probably assignment 4 because I'm not done yet. So maybe I'll give you a shout so you can just join us. And because I'm even working with someone from Group 5 and someone from, I don't know, maybe Group 3. So if you're a chance, you can join us as well.
You can tag your commenter. Commenter will help you. He will join.
Okay, great. So I'll join you
You're in
guys.
Group
Thank
5.
you.
I'm in Group 5.
Group
I
5.
solved 1, 2, and 3. Yeah.
Yeah, just
So
ask your
part two.
Manish sir. Okay, Manish sir is there. Just ask ping him. He will help you in group 5.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
welcome.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
welcome,
Thank you.
welcome.
I'll give you a shout out on WhatsApp.
All right, I'll do just that.
Greg, I also want to reach out to you on WhatsApp to join in the studies as well.
No problem. I think what I'll do is this. It's going to be around 8 Nigerian time, GMT +1. So by 8, I think I'll paste it. What's your name? I think
My name is
maybe
Vivian, and
I'll
I'm
just paste
one.
I'll paste the link. So anybody that wants to join should just join.
Currently, we can't access the general group. Currently, we can't access the general group, and you can't make any posts in the general group.
Okay, on group 5. Okay. Sorry, what's your name? Let me just get your name now.
Or you can probably drop it on Discord. I think those that are here can join from Discord because the general WhatsApp group is already locked.
That means I will have to join Discord then. But I know if I know your name, I can go to the info and just tag you on WhatsApp straight.
Yes, Vivian Chiamaka Okose. But I could I'll send you my phone number directly.
Okay. Okay, on WhatsApp. The name is Gregody. I think it should come out there on WhatsApp, Gregody.
I'm sending you my phone number like a direct message here on Zoom.
Okay. Let me paste my number now. Let me just do that.
Benji, Big Ben here. I'll text you.
Ben, how far are you there now? How you there?
Oh,
just do this discussion
8 o'clock.
on
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Let me just send my number. 080.
Greg.
Yeah.
Just
I
connect
think
with
if
them
everything, if there are no doubts, then we can, wind up this. Probably the people who want to create groups, they can do it later, not in this meeting, I guess.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, Emeka, you have raised your hand. You can unmute yourself and ask here. Emeka.
Yeah, hello. Good evening. Can you hear me, sir?
Oh, yeah, good evening.
Yeah, I want to confirm, are we free to join the new cohort? Are we permitted to also join the next cohort? I'm actually in a noisy place, but I don't know if you actually got what I asked. My question. Are we permitted to join the next cohort?
You can join, but the things are that the things you have to do from the beginning, and the things is in Cohort 2 is the same with Cohort 3.
What is the reason behind it? You want to join Cohort 3?
You can focus on this cohort and complete that.
I actually want to learn more. They said, when you continue learning a particular thing, it will become an habit. So I want it to be an habit. I just want to learn more. That's the reason why I want to join the next cohort.
Isha, you can connect me after this call.
Sir?
You can connect me after this call. You can connect me and
all right, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, is there any other question then we can ask, guys? And we have every week we have assignments demo like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I encourage all, please join there and participate there, right? If you ask question, then immediately commenter will help you. And parallelly, you can work on your assignment also, right? So from next week, please join there and ask your question. And yes, please ask your question. I am here. So Greg, Audi, I think you have completed your assignment.
Yeah, they have connected with me. So around 8, we'll just do it and try to waggle our way through it. It's just joining the.
So how many assignments you have completed? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I have done.
How many assignments you have?
I have done assignment 1, 2, 3. I am in assignment
1, 2,
4.
3.
I've done it to 4. Assignment 4 up to task 4. So it's remaining 5, 6, and 7, which is where I'm just having a little bit of challenge. But I've been discussing with Visa. I just discussed with him now, so he's giving me what to do, direction on what to do. So basically, I think by the time we get to there, we'll just solve we'll work on it and see how we can solve it. So that will be a better learning process for us.
I would, Greg, I would suggest you, Vishal, and you ask in your group, like who is working on this assignment. Please join this call. Join our meeting,
Vishal,
right?
You're online,
you can help
no? Say you're
each other.
hearing.
You
So join us, please. We need you.
Yeah, you can help each other.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I mean, just go
Yeah,
with the 4 or
thank
5
you.
friends and just work on
Thank
same
you.
assignment. Just complete that, finish that.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome.
In fact,
Hello.
y'all can have, every group can have a stand-up call, and then at a particular time, and then check with your other teammates whether they are stuck or not, and then work together so that y'all can help each other. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I
Lisa, you're on call. I hope you're hearing. Oh.
I work like this. Okay, I work like this. I go and ask in our group and ask them like, I am working on this assignment, please join me. So there are 4, 5, 6 people will come and we will discuss each other and complete all the assignment. If you stuck somewhere, I will help you. If I am stuck in somewhere, then they can help me. In this kind of, I will complete all this assignment. So
Thank you for the advice, sir.
Yes, just initiate this.
I'm learning. I'm learning. I'm learning. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
In some companies like Microsoft, they have pair programming, 2 people working together. So that way, if one is coding, the other one is, checking and, reviewing and things like that, and vice versa. So I'm not saying one person only work and other person not do, because both of you
Yeah,
have
to be
to
too
learn
stressful.
and grow. But you all can help each other out.
No problem.
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for the advice.
But in the group,
Great
don't
work.
do just copy the steps and do complete the assignment, okay? Mainly for on learning, okay? Not just to complete assignment and copy the task from others or taking help all the way.
They will work on their own system, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's noted, because sometimes after a while you might even forget the steps, because I kind of noticed that thing. That was why I'm really happy that most times we have to still go back to the EC2 instance and all that, because it gets to some place. I noticed something when I posted I think my week 2 live session on week 3, after they confirmed it, and now when the next day trying to do one of the assignments in week 2, I noticed my instance was not just opening again. I had to start troubleshooting. I was having a session at night with someone, I think whether Big Ben, Big 10. So it didn't open, but I had submitted already. But by the time I went the next day, I now noticed when I went to the security group that my HTTP and my SSH has changed from anywhere to custom. I had to now change it back again before it now logged in and all that. And basically, when it happened at night, when I was going through with someone, I was so stressed up that I didn't want to even look at troubleshooting it. But that was laziness on my part too. But when it got to the next day, I was forced to start look at it again, and after a while, I troubleshooted it and all that. So
in that case, you can ask any question in your group. There are many people. I mean, billion people are there. They can help you. Okay.
Yeah, I know as time goes forward now, because basically we're still bonding, but I think relationships are being forged and formed now, so it will be much more easier in future.
Right.
Much more easier in future.
Yes. Okay, guys, I think we are good to go, and just make a habit for group learning. In your group, just connect with each other. Take 2, 3, 4 people, and you don't need to create any meeting links and all these things. Okay, Google Meet link is always there in your group description. You can see there. Okay, Google Meet link is there. You just use that. Okay, ask your friends. Yeah, who is available, just join it.
You can use the link on Google. Okay.
Meeting link is there in your group description. Just go and see.
Go to your WhatsApp group and then details, and then you click on more. There's one is the documentation related stuff is there, the link to the main document, and then below that you have the group link, Google Meet.
Okay.
Yeah, there are three information are there, right? One master sheet is there, commentator name is there, and Google Meet link is there. There are 3 things you can get.
Okay. I'll discuss further with my group commenter, Mrs. Nkechi.
Yeah, there are few people are waiting. They have some issues. Yeah, Vincent, go on.
I was using AWS VCS before, and they later gave me about $300 with credits that I've been using. So the 300 credits expired in the month of January. But I noticed that all the EC2 instance I created, everything, I wasn't the one that deleted it, but I didn't see it again. So I didn't know. I've been trying to see where I can delete them so that I won't incur any further expenses. So I couldn't find out. I couldn't see where I will get them deleted. So I want to ask if it has happened to anybody before, if I'm in the safer side.
So one thing you can do, I like from your questions, many of them have the same issues. They must take help from the ChatGPT first, okay? You can use that to resolve any the issue. You can write in your own language. If you're not able to explain in English, you can write in your own language, and you can seek a help or detailed steps you can ask from ChatGPT, like your EC2 instance is not opening or your billing is increasing, how to terminate the instance, you can ask. It will provide you all the detailed steps that you can do for the step.
Again, I would say, again, I would say you can ask anything related to your assignment, related to your problem in your group. Okay. If you do not get any help, you don't get any help in your group, then you can tag your commenter, you can ask them. Okay. And before that, you can also help from ChatGPT. Okay. So basically, you have to do your homework first, I want to say. Right. After that, you can go to
I
commenter.
always
Commenter will
take
ask
help from
what you did.
ChatGPT.
Yes. So commenter can ask like what you did. What are the steps you have followed? Okay. You will tell like I have done this thing and it will not help me. Then commenter will do something else, right? Okay. Yes. Any other question? Okay, we are good to go now. I am again saying, please discuss internally in your group first. Okay, after that, you can tag your commenter. Okay, if it will not work, then you can directly reach to me. But before that, do your homework first. It means you should try to sort out by yourself with your teammate, with commenter, then come to me. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Please submit your assignment as early as possible. Tomorrow is the last day. And see you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.